Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to make your very first print in Bambu Studio. If you just got your printer or setting up the software for the first time, this video is perfect for you. Alright, step 1 is super simple. Just open up Bambu Studio. You're probably installed on your computer already, but when it launches, this is the screen you'll see. If you want to start fresh, click new project, but if you want to find something to print, go to a website called MakerWorld. This is basically a library of models that's already been optimized for Bambu printers. Or you can also import files from Onshape. And this is what we do as an FTC team. Let's say we want to paint something easy like this figure, or you can choose another model in MakerWorld's massive list of 3D models. After you find your model, click download and make sure you grab the STL file, which is really important for the print. Go back to Bambu Studio and then drag the STL file into the workspace. And finally, your model is ready to be adjusted and printed. Once you're viewing your 3D model, make sure your printer is selected. I'm using the X1 Carbon here. For filament, choose anything, but I decided to choose PLA. Even if you're not using Bambu brand filament, it's totally fine. Make sure you're selecting the correct material, PLA, ABS, etc. In the top right, press Slice Plate, and wait a while, and then after that, press Print Plate. Choose your printer from the list, and then click Send. After sending, Bambu Studio will switch to the Device tab. If your printer has a camera, then click the little play button to see a live view. You can also check the progress, see time lapses, and browse SD card prints. And that's it. I hope this video gets you started.